welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be reviewing a face mask that I picked up from Walmart, so stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can know when my videos have been uploaded. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the mask I picked up from Walmart looks like this. It is called the Original Mint Julep Mask. Helps dry up acne, pimples, rinse away blackheads, and shrink enlarged pores. The directions on the back says, cleanse face and neck thoroughly, apply mint julep mask generously and allow to dry for about 15 minutes. Remove with warm water and a washcloth. Okay, pretty basic. Nothing too hard to follow. Now, as you can see, I have on lashes right now. I guarantee you by the time I remove this mask, my lashes probably would come off. So we're just going to get right into it and apply this mask. Smells good. Smells really good. Okay. There we go. As you can see, it's coming out. Let me get up close and personal with y'all. So right off the bat, I can tell you that this applies really smooth. It applies really smooth. One thing I noticed, it didn't say how... Oh, it did. Okay. So you let it dry for 15 minutes and then you will be taking it off. So I'm just going to stay on camera and keep applying this. A little does go a long way. And when I'm done applying, I will be back when it has hardened and tell you how I feel. So guys, it has now been 15 minutes and my face is tight. I can't really move my lips. That's all for right now. It's pretty dry. So I'm going to take you in the bathroom with me to wash my face. Again, this is really tight. But yeah, this is how it's looking right now. Okay, so let's go to the bathroom. Okay, so I am back, and right now my face, after I washed the product off, my face does seem a bit brighter, a little bit. My face it has dried out my face. I'm not sure why it did that. I know it didn't say that it moisturizes on the bottle, but my face does feel a bit dried off. I'm not sure if I can go ahead and put moisturizer on my face, but I will do that at the end of this video. I will put moisturizer on my face, but my face does feel clear. I'm sorry, it does feel smooth. It does look brighter. Is this something that I would use? Yes. Yes, I will use it. Because I think the dryness does come from the product sucking up all the oil that was on my skin. So I will use this product probably once a month because I don't like the dryness that it gives my face. But other than that, I do recommend this product here. You can find it at Walmart. I'm pretty sure in the beauty section you can find it at Walmart. I'm not sure how much I paid for this product, but I'm sure it shouldn't be no more than $6. Anyways, we have come to the end of this video. I want to thank you so very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when my videos have been released. Until then, see you in my next one.